How to add a gift card to Dick's Sporting Goods app. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to show you a specific method for you to add a gift card onto your Dick's Sporting Goods app or via the web version. Before opening the application, ensure that you're currently using the latest version of the app so that you will not encounter bugs and crashes while ordering anything from Dick's Sporting Goods. Now, all the process is going to be the same. Now, the only method or the only way for you to be able to add gift card is via your checkout page. So first things first is open up your Dick's Sporting Goods app or via the web version. Now scroll down into the payment section while you're currently on your checkout page and then select add a gift card. Now enter the card number and the PIN usually located on the back of the card and then tap or hit on apply to use the balance on your order. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to add a gift card onto your Dick's Sporting Goods app.